5 management lessons from elephants. Number 1. Family is important. Elephants are all about family. They stick together and help each other. This teaches us how important it is to love, to care and support each other in a family and friends. Number 2. Be kind and gentle. Elephants are huge and strong, but they are gentle and kind to others, especially their young ones. We can learn to be strong and gentle-hearted, treating others with kindness and love. Number 3. Remember and learn. Elephants have great memories. They remember where they find water and food. We can learn from them to remember important things in our lives and to learn from our experiences. Number 4. Help each other. When an elephant is in trouble, other elephants come together to help. This shows us the value of helping our friends and being there for them when they need us. Number 5. Respect nature. Elephants are a part of nature and they show us how to live respectfully with it. We can learn to take care of our environment and the animals that share our planet. So, elephants teach us about family, about kindness, memory, helping others, and respecting nature. These lessons from elephant can help us to be better people and take care of the world around us. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you get a notification whenever I am uploading the next useful video which can empower your life. Thank you and Jai Hind.